see this program, inline method title, and we are using inline style here. Here instead of giving style tag separately, here in the HR tag only we have specified style tag. Here we does not given in the HR, we have opened HR tag only one line, and here in the HR tag only we have specified style. Let's see here. See, only single line, a simple HR. This is without style rule. This is with style and this is with style tag. This is a program here. Now see the next topic, text properties. Text properties control the appearance of text on a web page. In the following section, you learn about the various text properties and their description. Let's see what are the text properties. Text align. This property is generally applied to block of a text H1, P, TH, TD, etc. It is used to set the horizontal alignment of a text inside the block. If you are writing a paragraph, if you want to set a paragraph left side or right side, bottom, top, like that. If you want to align by using text align, we can set that paragraph or table data, table header, etc. it seems. Now see syntax. Text align value. Here value may be left or right or center or justify. Next, text decoration. This property specifies the decoration that can be applied to the text. Text decoration colon value. Here you all know children, if you want to give the line italic, bold, underline like that, you can also specify that one, underline or overline or line through, blink, none. Here different decorations are there, that one we can give for our text in our program. If you want to display in the output, we can give this one. Next, color. In the color value, color can be RGB color code or hexadecimal code. As I said earlier children, instead of giving colors, we can also specify the color code also, I said. Next, text transform. This property is used to transform the letters into text, uppercase, lowercase, or capitalize the first letter of each word. So like an option of, what is an option in the word we are having to transfer like that? So text, what is an option children? What is that one? Spell check? No. What is that option? Change case. In the change case, we can change into uppercase or lowercase or toggle case or capitalize each word or capitalize the sentence. So like that, this is an option of change case. So here text transform colon value, where value equals to capitalize or uppercase or lowercase or none. Capitalize means the first letter of each word it will be capitalized. Uppercase means all letters will be in uppercase. Lowercase means everything into lowercase letters. None means it won't change. However, we have typed the program like that only it will be displayed. And the next topic is text shadow. How like shadow, you will keep the different effects like word art like that. We will keep a shadows and all. If you want to keep that one for the text, how like, let's see here. Text shadow value, whereas value equals to shadow. H shadow means horizontal, V shadow means vertical, and color. Color means different color you have to specify there. It will be horizontal and this will be vertical. Next, see the text indent. Indent means what children? Indent means nothing but specifying the space of the first line or paragraph. Indentation, indents. We can also observe this option in the MS Word children. Text indent colon value. where value means length in pixel. Px is nothing but pixel or percentage. Next, see, word break. Word break specifies the line breaking rules. Word break value. Value is normal or break all or keep all. Normal. Normal means break according to their usual rules. Break all, whereas lines will break at any character. Keep all, where the lines will break at hyphens. Now let's see this program after this line height property. In the line height, it is used to specify the space between the two lines of text. Line height value can be number or length or percentage or normal. Now let's see the body tag elements, all the elements of text properties. Open HTML, head, title. In the title, text properties. In the style tag, type CSS, body, color equals to blue, text decoration underline, this one. So all the text we got here underline. Next, paragraph tag, text indent 30 pixels, means for this we have got the indentation 30 pixels. Text transform capitalized, means every word will get a capital letter. Next, line height equals to 1.5. For each line there will be 1.5 px. Next, h1, text align center, text shadow 2 pixels, 2 pixels red color. Shadow, if we closely observe here, we can observe here red color. This is a shadow of 2 pixels. Next, close style, close head, open body, h1. So here the h1 they have selected, no children, that one, success. Paragraph style equals to word break. Break all means in between only it will cut off. Without completing the full word, it will cut off. So this is a paragraph, close paragraph, again. Next paragraph, word break, keep all. Here keep all means if we given here any hyphen, then only it will be break, otherwise it won't break. And again paragraph, close body, close HTML. So this is a program. So here we have seen shadow, text alignment, and break all, keep all, text, and what is the different text transformation, means capitalized or lowercase or uppercase. These all we have seen here. Yes children, I hope you all understood, na children. In the next class, we'll see the remaining topics. Thank you.